Hey, hi, hello, this is Sarvana from A4 Analytics, and in this video we're gonna see about how to get the underlying DAX query in Power BI. Stay tuned. In this video we're gonna see about how to get the underlying DAX query of this report, investment strategy report. So we have few visualizations here, so let's take a single visualization, a simple table. Okay, so we're gonna take the DAX query of this table. So how to get that? So to get the DAX query we need to have a performance analyzer. So we can see the option performance analyzer in the view, performance analyzer, and quickly that will be a pane opening up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start recording and just I'm gonna refresh the visual, so which will generate the DAX query for all the things. So this is a matrix. I have only one matrix and you can see the matrix over here. So before that I'm gonna stop it. I stop it. So if I select this, you can see this table will be highlighted, and I'm gonna copy this query. So we got it, and so we can interpret this query over here in the notepad. We can have a look at it, and if you want to make any changes, and if you want really DAX formatted, so that is another external tool in Power BI. You can use it to edit this, run this, and all those things. So how to get that? So Power BI got the external tool feature in 2020, and so you see there are two tools here, DAX Studio and Tableau Editor. So I'm gonna have a DAX Studio now. So DAX Studio. So using this DAX Studio, you can it's opening up. You can paste it this query and make some changes, run the query and whatever. And DAX Studio automatically picks up the data model in this report. And this is all the list of tables we have. I'm gonna paste it. Yeah. So we got the query of DAX query of the table. So if I run this, so I get the same results, the property type, investment, commitment, total allocated. If you go back to the report, you can see investment, commitment, total allocated. So just keep it side by side for a comparison. So you see the data are very much similar. So there are same data because it has the same query. So it's running on top of the same model, so it gets the same data. And so if you want to make any changes, so I'm just gonna make it as ascending. If I make it as an ascending, so this will act as ascending. You can change it, and you can add any other variables if you want. You can do all the stuffs. And this is one of quick way to get the DAX query of a table in the report, and you can make use of it in your real-time project. And thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment below. I am more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much.